Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're out at my 2017 Tesla Model X. We're out here because I'm going to be removing the front bumper, and I thought I'll walk you through how to remove it. The reason I'm removing mine is because my wife ended up damaging the front, pulling into the garage too far, and pushing up against the items, and ended up ripping right there. So I ended up ordering this replacement one. Tesla wanted, what, $300, $350 for a replacement one, and I was able to get this one for about $150 new off of eBay. It's an aftermarket one, but we'll see how the fitment is on it compared to factory. I did have to remove my front splitter off of there. That is an aftermarket. But other than that, this should be pretty straightforward. So one of the first things you want to do is go ahead and put your suspension, push the button, move it up to your highest level. So that way it's easy for you to get underneath the wheel well. You'll give you a lot of room underneath there with that jacked up that way. So put the suspension on very high. Then you want to go ahead and put it in jack mode, and then put your little disc up underneath there. Put your little puck up underneath there and jack it on up. And at that point, you have access to everything you need. All right, the things we want to get started. We want a nice little pick. You may find this helpful in getting the those side fender trim pieces off. You want, what is this, a 20 star bit? Yep, a number 20 star bit. You want a 10 millimeter. This right here always comes in helpful, so you don't have to worry about scratching your paint while trying to get trim pieces off. One of those body panel pullers over there. And this should be all you need. If we need anything else, I'll let you know. All right, now we want to go ahead and remove this right here. This little plastic trim piece. Remember, you do have one of your sensors on here, so there's a wire behind there, including the sensor itself, so be careful when pulling this off. There are no screws you have to remove. You just want to get behind there and just start pulling it out. Requires a little yank. You don't need to take it all off. You really just need the part that's going to be up here with the bumper. Now, where this tool right here may come in handy, it's because you see these little clips right here. Sometimes some of them may be hard to get out, so it's nice to be able to just go in and move it out of the way or lift it up, whatever you may need at any point. Now, if you notice, my sensor kind of already had the plug kind of popped out, but normally it would be pushed in up in there. Bring you in closer. So what you have this little gray clip back there that you will push up on, to release. And then once it's up, you should be able to just push down and disconnect. There we go. All right, next what we want to do is remove the one screw that's over here under the wheel well. There's one on each side, one on this side and on the passenger side. And so after you have this off, now you have the ability to move this out of the way. And it's going to be roughly in this area right here. So you just push back on your wheel liner to be able to view the screw. So the screw is actually going to go in this direction. It's going to go through here up through there. So the screw head is going to be on this end towards the front. So you'll go underneath, you'll move the liner back a bit, and And there it is right there. You see it? So you just take your 20 star bit and you just take that on out. You can see I'm able to just do it by hand. At least I'm able to turn it by hand. And there is the screw. All right, next we can go ahead and remove these panels. Go ahead and have those out of the way. This pops off. Set it out of the way. And now, with the screw out, this should be free. There's just clips back there, so this should just pop right on out. Just like that. Now we're going to go underneath the car, and you can do this at the beginning, you can do it at the middle, you can do it at this point. Where I'm about to do it, it's up to you. Probably not at the end because you don't want the front already hanging off. But we're going to go underneath using this tool. All right, so as you can see, I've already removed a lot of the clips. And you can see they're going along here. All the way to the other side. I left one in for demonstration purposes. That's how quickly and easy to pop off. And you also got two 10 millimeters down here you want to remove as well. So you want to get those out of there. And you'll also notice you got a couple of those body clips right here and right here. So you may want to go ahead and pop those on out. All right, so next we want to remove the screws, or bolts that is, that hold on the bumper up here, and also this front grille. So there's two on this side, there's two 10 millimeters here, and two 10 millimeters here. And as you can see, there are the two right there. And here are the two on this side. As you can see, the one for the grill, I don't know if you can tell, that's the more brown one on your, what's that, left-hand side of the screen. This one was on the bumper, this one was for the grill, the longer one was for the grill. All right, so at this point, Zonga did the same thing on both sides already. Got all the clips on the bottom, removed off the 4 bolts. You got both of your panels pulled out and separated. At this point, it should be ready to come on off. And there we go. There's the bumper off. And as you can see over here, so don't just pull it away right away. As you can see right here, there's a plug right here. So you want to disconnect that first. And that is how you remove the front bumper off of a Tesla Model X. If you like, hit that like button. Definitely hit that subscribe button and check out my other YouTube videos working on my Tesla Model X, my Tesla Model S, and also my Ford Mustang Mach-E as well.